What's up everyone, Scarlett here. Today I'm going to be showing you a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2021 four-wheel drive with 3.6 liter. We are going to be changing the drivetrain control module. This is pretty common on these Jeeps. There was some clicking noise. It was like struggling to like take off from reverse to from coming from a stop. I'll show you guys the lights in a little bit, but I just want to explain to you real quick before I go showing you everything. Like I said, it's pretty common. Did some tests just to confirm that the drivetrain control module was bad and nothing else. But like I've heard some people get charged like over $4 grand to do things just that wasn't even, you know, the problem or whatever, and it ended up being the module. But all right, let's get to this. We can hear this clicking noise, but we got service all-wheel drive. We got a couple lights on, traction light on. Alright, well, it's not making the noise right now, but you would normally hear a clicking sound. It like check this car out and everything. We're gonna be changing the drivetrain control module, and then we will get back to showing you all the lights gone and stuff like that. But before you go on and do this, you got to make sure you unhook that negative battery cable before you change the module. Alright, so we got the new module right here, and I'll show you where the module is located. But first we got to disconnect the battery. So it's behind the passenger seat. You gotta move the seat all the way up. I'm hooked up right here. And then you gotta pop this up, get it out of the way, and then disconnect that negative terminal. Alright, so I got the negative terminal out of the way. I always like to disconnect the little sensor if it has one, just to be safe. And I like to put rags so it doesn't end up contacting the other metal, just in case, you never know. Alright, so the module is located under the driver's seat. You gotta remove that same cover and put it on this side, and then it's actually slipped on in here, and then you just pop it off, pop the new one in. Alright, so we got everything installed. Now we're gonna turn on the car and see if the lights went away. And then we're gonna go on a test drive just to verify everything's good. No lights. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna make sure that there are no codes stored in this thing. from the last time we had codes. Let's do an auto scan. Alright, so we got the codes from last time. I'm going to clear them all and then go on a test drive. And then verify just to confirm everything's all good. Alrighty, so I'm on this test drive. I no longer hear it clicking and it doesn't feel like it's struggling to take off anymore. The lights are completely off. So yeah, hopefully this helps you guys, those that have Jeep things, Jeep problems. Anyways, hopefully this video helped. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that little notification button. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.